Okay, for multimedia converter, FM converter with video converter for Toyota Estima, Vellfire and Alphard. So this video for the Estima for sample. Okay, for the SM819. Okay, video converter with FM. So you can use for the MP5, RMVB, MP4, and the radio FM as well. So you can use for the from 87 to 108. Okay, for your original car player. So this is original setting. So the maximum to 90.0 for the FM. So you have to add on the multimedia FM converter. You press for the TV, then you can use over 100 FM. So it's come with a remote control, so you can select for the different by the sensor here. So this FM converter got a USB input and an aux in as well. So you can plug in a USB, which is this is external USB connector car charger. So I put in pen drive here and change the mode function. So this is aux in. Change as well to the video. This is MP4 video Full HD version. Okay, so change back home. So you can select for the media, radio and aux in. Okay, all setting selection by remote control. So this is SM819. Okay, MP5, MP4 HD 1080 Full HD version, RMVB with FM converter for Toyota Estima, Vellfire and Alphard. Buy one piece online. Thank you.